everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Speras SH16 Versatile Rechargeable Flashlight and Headlamp. So inside you get the user manual, you get the USB-C charging cable and some extra O-rings, you get the headband, and you get a red and a green filter. So briefly going over some specs, this has a max lumen of 1650, a beam distance of 355 meters, Type-C charging, and it's IP68 waterproof. And on the back here you can see the various modes from turbo, high, medium, low, eco, strobe, and SOS, and the various run times. So looking at the flashlight, you can see it's very small and compact, fits in the palm of my hands, feels solid with its metal construction. You can see the LED in the front here. You have the power button on the top, and then you also have a clip. You have the USB-C charge port on the side. You also have a magnet on the back here. And then to access the battery, you just want to unscrew the back here, and then you'll have access to it. You can see the 1100 milliamp hour battery. It's a 18350 type. This can be used as a regular flashlight, or you can use it as a headlamp, and it comes with this headband. Basically you just insert it like so, and then you can put it on your head and use it as a headlamp. It also comes with the red and green filter, so you can just screw it on like so. And that's with the green filter. So turning on the flashlight, if you just press it once, it will enter the eco mode. So you can see this is the eco mode. And then holding down the power button for a few seconds, it will cycle through low, medium, high. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Now in the off position, to enter the turbo mode, you just want to double click. And now that's the turbo mode. To enter the strobe, SOS, and the beacon, you want to triple click it. And then after that, just hold down the button for a few seconds to cycle through the beacon and SOS. So triple click for the strobe, hold it down, got the SOS, then hold it down again, you have the beacon. Now let's take a look at the Speras SH16. So just one click on the button, we'll put it in eco mode. So this is the eco mode. And then holding down the top button, we'll turn it on, and then you can cycle through low, medium, and high. So this is low, medium, and high. Now if you wanted to go to the high mode right away, just double click the top, and this puts it in that high or that turbo mode. And then cycling through the strobe and SOS is just a triple tap. So you can see here. Now you have the SOS, you had the strobe earlier, and then now you have the beacon. All right, that's a look at the Speras SH16. I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.